Hello, my friend. I'm David Burns, and I'm here today with Jamie. Nice to meet you, Jamie.
Oh, you too.
All the way from Ohio.
Ohio, yes, just not too far from Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Okay, yeah, that be a lot of people know where that is. And you came over today to work some bees with me.
Sure.
Thanks for being here.
I'd like to.
Yeah. And you started beekeeping this year, right?
This year.
Wow.
This year. Watching your videos.
Yeah. Well, I'm sorry I got you into beekeeping. Don't hold that against me. It's like I made you probably a beekeeping addict. I mean, you get addicted, don't you?
Yep.
Wow.
To kind of every aspect of it.
How many hives do you have?
I've got 6 going right now.
Holy cow, man, you jumped right into it, didn't you? You brought over a gift for me, and I'm so thankful and humbled. Look at that. You built this yourself.
Yes. This
is incredible. Patrick, zoom in on these corners. Everybody say hello to Patrick, our videographer. Thank you, Patrick, for filming today. But you must have some experience in the shop, Jamie. Look at that. That's some pretty cool stuff there.
My experience is mostly body shop stuff, but
that can be transferred to wood, can it?
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Everything's got to be pretty. You want everything pretty nice and people's cars and
stuff.
So.
I like the outside handles.
They're good for me since the cancer and stuff, and I've got some neuropathy and that actually helps.
I like that. And this is an easy way to do it because it's hard to cut those handle grooves in there just right. And this is going to be a great addition to the YouTube studio yard. Thank you, Jamie. That's great. I look forward to that. I hope that you'll be able to learn some things. And
I hope so.
From being in a hive today. And we kind of had to kill some talk time this morning to get the bees warmed up above 65 Fahrenheit because that's about my temperature when I like to open a hive up. Below that, I don't like to bring out any open brood or closed brood. It might kill them. But yeah, we're going to jump into some hives today and have a good time. All right, so today we're going to look at this hive. This is a package that I installed 120 days ago. For those of you that may have installed a package this year too, Jamie's going to take us through it. And it is 4 months old. And we want to see how it's doing. Now, we've added a super on here. We're wondering if the queen started laying in the super. Got 2 deeps. We're kind of wondering, you know, what kind of state it's in for going into fall pretty soon, Jamie, and winter. So let's smoke the entrance a little bit to calm them down. Let's check for a small hive beetle under here. Wow.
Let's see if we let anybody loose.
No, we didn't.
We didn't let none out of jail.
That's right. I don't see a single small hive beetle. Boy, Patrick showed me a video of one of his hives, and he had more beetles than bees. It's like all those beetles, Patrick. Did you try anything like Grub-X, or were you used?
Yep, I put Grub-X down the last 2 years.
Oh, did you really?
In fact, I bought another bag the other day, and I'm going to do it again. I don't know.
Oh, it's not killing your pupae, huh?
Well, something happened.
Tapped over on this side, not so much this side. Started a little bit, but that's toward the wall.
Toward the wall, yeah. Let's leave that one outside the hive. And I know it's a little intimidating working another man's hive, right?
Well,
my dad taught me never to hold another man's nail when you're in construction work.
Oh, no.
It's kind of intimidating working another man's hive.
It feels pretty heavy, like they've got
Oh, yeah. I can see that in a bottle on my table.
Yeah.
Look at that dark honey, too. See how much darker that is? And I don't know what they got into that darkened it like that. Probably darker nectar and turned it into honey. I just mix it all together. I used to try to chase light honey and keep it separated from the dark honey. That's a lot of work.
I'd like to get an extractor soon. But I think we'll worry about it over the winter.
Yeah.
That's another full one.
And see, that looks lighter honey to me. But yeah, that's harvestable, isn't it?
It is. That's your full both sides.
Both sides ready to go. And it looks like I put this in here on June the 27th. That's what that little frame right there says. So let's smoke them again just to keep them calm. Well, I can tell that's a good frame of honey right there. Look at that.
She's all the way across on both sides.
Yeah. Have you harvested any honey yet, or?
I have.
Oh yeah.
I've stole a little bit.
How'd you get the bees off of it?
From my brush.
Okay, just brush the individual frames.
Yes, and
yeah.
I just had another box, and
yeah,
I didn't take a complete box.
For the backyard beekeeper, brushing those off and doing it one frame at a time is pretty easy. Yeah. Is that some drone brood at the bottom? Right here, let's look. Yeah, look at that purple-eyed pupae right there. That means that it broke open. Yep. But that's just some drone. So the queen's not laying in the super, except way down there she's laid some unfertilized eggs. So they're still raising drone. That looks like a queen cell right here. Look at that.
So you want to get rid of it?
I want you to tear open the top, like surgical procedure here. I think there's a larvae. Yep, there's a larvae down in there. Yeah, look at that. So that means they're, you know, it's in the swarm cell configuration. By the way, by doing that, we did not destroy it. And that's fine. I'm going to leave it for now. But they'll quickly put all that
back up, huh?
Yeah, let's drop that in there for now. But let's remember that's there, because I do want to take that down if we find a good queen. I don't want to take away a queen they're raising.
Not too mad at me yet.
No, they're not, are they? No, they must like you.
Can't do my former job anymore, but being on disability, I still like to have something that gets me out of the house. And
oh yeah.
And this seems to fit the bill pretty good. I enjoy it. And
yeah.
We got.
As I watch you work bees, and you told me that the only thing you've learned bees is basically from me. You're working bees exactly the way I would work bees. I'm liking it.
Try to get in so I don't screw up the corners.
Oh, I know. Thing you put on the outside.
I think it come loose.
There we go, yeah. Maybe we'll see some brood down in here. We want to check on that queen since we got that queen cup up above. But they have these little things you put on the outside that stick out. You plastic, you screw them on there, and you can get your hive tool in there and work them apart. I've got some, and I want to try to see what they would do. I'm always afraid plastic things will break, but maybe they're made pretty tough. Yeah. I'm going to hold that, and there's some small hive beetles. Do you see them? There's like one there. There you go. Oh, look at you. There's a pro. Oh, yeah.
Looks like I must have missed that one.
Yeah. There goes one that way. Oh, yeah. There you go. Here comes one up here. You got to get the bees out of the way, too, don't you?
What the? That one's... Oh, he squished.
You got her. Yep, yep. It's always the one for me on this frame against the wall.
Ah.
They're hiding over there. Might be chasing a few, but I don't see any. Let's look at the other side. I'd say a beetle would love to be in all that rich pollen down in there and bee bread. This time of the year in the fall, it's really difficult when you see queen issues. And right now is the time you want to get in that hive and check on your queens, because there's still time to do something here late August.
Time to correct it.
A little time to correct it.
What do you got right there in the middle?
It's definitely super seizure position.
Right in the middle.
Yep. But it could just be there just in case. They're hanging around it, aren't they?
Protecting it.
Well,
it looks empty. You let me do it.
There you go. Peel off a little more on that side. Yeah. There you go. Looks bone dry to me. Yep, nothing in there. Another queen cup in it.
Yeah.
That one looks extended. Super seizure.
There's some jelly in there.
Is there? Yeah. Now that one I'm going to leave on there, because to me that's a super seizure, not a swarm cell.
Mm-hmm. I see some white
larvae in there.
In this one.
Uh-huh.
I don't see nothing in that one, but that one's capped over.
So one of the things that concerns us, since this is jagged right here, that could be swarm cells, since it's on the kind of the bottom of the comb, technically.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have to weigh all this out. Wow, good brood pattern. It would be a great time of the year for this hive to replace their queen. It creates a mite break because they don't have as much brood. And then they start with a new queen. But now we run the risk of them getting mated. Will that queen get mated? This hive right now is not fit for winter.
No, right there.
Oh, okay.
But that's not the one you had marked.
Negative. That is a new queen because she does not have the blue mark on her. And for all intents and purposes, she's there along with other queens, cups and cells and all.
So maybe, could she be new or?
Okay, she could be new. What else? She could be old and failing. She's looking in a cell. Thought maybe we'd.
Gonna lay?
Yeah. That was like she was going to lay an egg.
Looking like it.
She is.
She's wiggling. Oh. There she's backed up in.
Oh gosh, okay.
There she is.
She's laying an egg. So in this case, what we're going to do, the question is, what about all the queen cups and cells that have larvae in them? Maybe this queen has emerged, mated, and they just haven't tore those down yet. They like her. Look at the retinue around her. So I think they've got their money banking on her right now. So really, I think what I plan to do, and it's risky for me, but I have a philosophy in this case that I'm going to apply, and that's wait 10 days. Okay? I want to mark her so we'll know that she's not one from those other cups. She's got quite a fanfare, doesn't she? Quite the movie star. Kind of hard to get down in there on her. Oh, don't go that way. Keep her back out of here. Let her settle down a minute.
Yeah, I'm trying to hold still.
All right. See if I can get those back 2 legs a little closer together.
There we got her.
Now I want to test this pin on the wood. This is a dark blue, though.
That's a pretty blue.
Not going to be real easy to see her, but it'll help. The other pin was a light blue. All right, I'll let that dry a little bit. See, what we're doing now, we can mark this queen, and we can wait a little bit and see in 10 days is she still laying good in there. Because in 10 days, that one cell, she'll be emerged, and they'll either, that queen will kill this one and take over, they'll swarm. There's a lot going on, right? It needs to dry just a little bit more. I believe the faster she runs, the more new she is. The slower, the more she's been in there a while. Looks like she's kind of back to just looking in cells. Went back to work pretty quick, didn't she? Oh, being fed by another bee. And she's being fed royal jelly. So that bee feeding her is 6 to 12 days old. She's asking for food with her antenna. And they're staying ahead of her. Look at them feeding her. Wow. That's great. 2 bees feeding her rolled jelly. It's so fun to see the biology of bees and how they're working. They're all feeding her. This is like, I guess it's lunchtime. I'm excited to use this video to really help you guys this time of the year because it's late summer, early fall kind of time frame. It feels like fall's in the air, but this hive's in trouble. Right now, this hive is going through a queen issue. It's a strong colony, good amount of honey, good amount of brood, don't get me wrong, but a queen issue. A lot of beekeepers last fall lost their bees. Most people that lose their bees in the fall lose their bees for one reason, queen issues. Be on alert. I just want to let you know, you're going to be able to watch me correct this hive all the way up until I run out of time. So right now, 10 days and wait. I'm going to see what's going to happen. That's where I'm at. I'm in this critical zone where if I was a brand new beekeeper and I saw a queen in there and I see queen cells too, and I don't know if that's swarming, supersedure, sometimes you just can't tell. And so the best thing to do for me is I'm going to wait 10 days. Good job, Jamie. I was really impressed. You're a good beekeeper for only having done it since February.
Yes.
Very good skills.
appreciate it.
Yeah, I think you have a good, you know, some people say that beekeepers, if they don't fear bees and if they're nice to bees, then the bees kind of see that. And I think the bees really are gentle because you have a gentle hand with bees.
I try to.
And that means a lot, yeah. And you and I've chatted. I'm really impressed with, you know, obviously you've been through a lot of struggle in your life with your cancer and other things. Life is a struggle for everybody. And you've had your share, and you're doing your best to pull yourself up by your bootstraps and keep going. That's impressive. I appreciate that. And it's an honor to have you in the field with us.
I appreciate the words, and
good.
I appreciate your videos.
Okay. Well, thank you. I've had a little bit of share of struggles myself, and I've made a video talking about my personal struggle too. If you've never seen that video, a little embarrassing to talk about your troubles, but I made a video on how bees helped me, like bees have helped Jamie, how bees helped me over my personal struggle. If you want to watch that video, check it out over here. I'll see you guys over there.